Okay, my next project is I'm going to make a metal bender for my Harbor Freight 20-ton press. I need to bend some 1-inch strap steel. Right here, it's 1 inch by 1/8, and I need to make some little box frames, and that'll be in another project. It's actually for my TIG welder, my TIG welding cart. I have my supplies right here, my rod, but I've got quite a bit more rod, and I have it stored in a corner of the garage, and I'd really like it to be all in one place. So I'd like to mount it in my cart. I'm going to make some rectangular holders right here, a couple of them, one at the bottom and one maybe here or here, maybe both, and then I can just put my rod in there and it'll all be centralized. In order to do that, I need to take this 1-inch strap steel over here and I need to bend it into rectangles. Before I can do that, I need to be able to bend it. So this project, I'm going to use some scrap steel that I have and one little set screw and a nut. This is from an exhaust pipe, and I think it's 1 3/4, but I need 1.5 inch inside diameter. This is really close. And this was from a previous project. I needed to weld something that was round, so I got a piece of angle iron and I cut it, made it in the shape of a W, and then I just laid my piece in there and I could rotate it and weld it. What I'm going to use that for is the bottom of the press. I'm going to take this piece of scrap, I'm going to put it right there, and this is actually going to be the bender. This is going to be pressed down. This strap steel goes in there, you pull that right there, and you press down with a 20-ton press, and it bends it into a 90. That's the plan, hopefully. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this piece. I'm going to put this piece inside of it just for reinforcement. I'm going to stack this on top. I'll V it out, notch it, and then weld it. And then I'm going to put the nut here with a set screw, and that will mount right here to my 20-ton Harbor Freight press. So that's my plan. So here we have everything marked. My wax pen, dry soapstone or whatever that is. So I'm going to cut right here. I'm going to cut right over there. I'm going to cut this little piece off there. And then I'm going to turn this around. I will weld this piece inside of that piece, notch this, put it in the center, and then drill a hole, probably drill a hole first, weld this little nut to it, and that becomes a set screw. So I can tighten it up against my post on my 20-ton press and it won't fall off. So now to cut.